Introducing AI Engine.
Dojo here. Fresh start. Hit the mic to talk or start typing. What are we working on? Starting a fresh session. Ready to assist with any engineering work, research, or other tasks Val has in mind.
Before we start, could you find the temperature for Ottawa, Canada at this moment?
Ottawa is currently at 6.5 degrees Celsius, or 44 Fahrenheit, with overcast skies and easterly winds around 20 kilometers per hour.
What if your AI act like a machine for tasks, but respond like a kind, gentle, caring mentor when talking to you? A dual personality, 2 layers in every response, one for the machine, one for the human. Your AI assistant is brilliant. It writes code, explains concepts, solves problems. But it is trapped behind a text box. Our eyes were not designed for reading text boxes. They evolved to track, to hunt, not to parse walls of words. But our ears? They are remarkable. Tuned to thousands of frequencies, able to follow one voice while tracking another across the room. Listening is natural. Reading text boxes is not. Give your AI a voice. Turn your AI into a natural speaker with a few clicks.
I am Alex, your potential favorite primary voice.
Your AI finally has the tools to take action. It can talk you through a development session.
Could you look at Dojo's state machine and see if you could add some unit tests there? Do it yourself and be swift.
Found lanemachine.ts and an existing test file. Good coverage already. Let me check the supporting files for untested paths.
It can talk you through a debugging session.
Could you look at the mute button? Sometimes it gets sticky. Be quick. Do it yourself.
Now I can see the issues. Let me check the voice selector's SSE subscription that might fight with optimistic mute state. I can see several issues that cause the mute button to feel sticky. Let me trace through all mute interactions. Problems found: global mute, title bar, no optimistic update, and no double-click guard. Rapid clicks send the same. Global muted value multiple times because state hasn't updated yet. Per role mute, volume popover, SSE subscription, can revert the optimistic update before the mutation response arrives. Per role mute, voice selector, profiles data react query refetch, can revert the optimistic update. Inverted title on global mute button semicolon. When muted, the title says unmuted. We need a brief window where SSE doesn't overwrite local state. Now fix the voice selector. Same react and SSE query revert problem. Now guard the profile sync from overwriting optimistic mute state. Now add the guard to the handle mute toggle and voice selector. I traced through all 3 mute button implementations in the app. The global mute in the title bar had no optimistic update at all, relying only on the server response to update the React query cache, creating visible lag. This made the button appear to unclick itself, causing users to click again and end up back where they started. Primary awaits your input.
It can walk you through an end-to-end session with built-in browser automation while providing voice guidance.
Now click the password submit button to complete login. Login submitted. Now wait for the dashboard to load. Dashboard loaded. Let me take a screenshot to capture the successful login. Authentication complete.
It is like pair programming with a senior developer who never gets tired. And here is what makes it different. Everything runs locally. Your audio, your screenshots, your sessions. No telemetry, no collection. Turn your AI into a real assistant. Download free at ehAye.io.